Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live. And in this second week of December, we are in week 10 of the 2025 fourth quarter challenge. This week, we will consider what we need to learn about relationships that will enable us to enter and then proceed successfully through 2026. But before we go further, please remember to like and to subscribe to this channel and to remember to share the link to this video and this channel, and then to invite others to join you as you complete this challenge. Now, the first two communication skills that are the most critical for anyone at any time in any relationship, personal or professional, are the art of listening attentively and effectively. And the second is asking better questions. Now, we've spoken a lot about listening over this channel, so you can just search the videos in this channel to learn what I have to say about listening effectively. But we don't speak a lot about asking better questions, and better questions are really the key to connection. There are three types of questions that I want to ask you to consider. The first is questions that go beneath the surface. Instead of asking, "How was work today?" ask something like, "What was the most important or interesting part of your day today?" Or, "Did you have a challenge today? What was it? How did you handle it? How did it go?" That small change invites connection because it demonstrates interest in what's really happening in the other person's life. The second type of question is asking questions that show that you remember what's important to others. Questions that show that you listen to what they've said previously, that you care about what they've said, and that you remember what matters to them. Questions like, "My goodness, how did your presentation go today?" If you know they had a special event, ask about it specifically. If they were nervous, ask them how they got through the nerves. It's really important to do that. Nothing builds connection faster than when someone feels that you've remembered what's going on in their life. And then the third type of question are questions that explore feelings, not just facts. Feelings are where intimacy and connection live. So when you ask, "How did that make you feel when someone speaks to you about an event or a conversation or a situation?" You leave the safe territory of data logistics and events, and you enter the territory where feelings and intimacy and connection live. This week, I'd like you to take an action step, and that is this. In at least one important conversation every day, ask one question that goes deeper than surface. Then pause, then listen. Don't rush to respond, which is what we often do. Just be present with their answer. Consider it carefully, and then answer. Remember that your relationships thrive based on how well you truly know the people important to you. And asking better questions helps you to cultivate that knowledge. Before we leave, remember to like and subscribe or follow and share and then invite others to join you. Next time, I'll see you with a leadership tip. Have a great balance of the day.